Come on, Blitzy. Let's go in the house. It's snowy out here. He's smiling. He was laying in the snowbank until I came in to grab my phone. I wish I could zoom in, but I have to use my anti-shake mode now these days. And it doesn't allow me to zoom whilst that mode is on. Come on, Blitzy. Come on. Come on, boy. His fur is so thick, no amount of cold gets to him. And if you want to get him truly soaking wet, it takes unbelievable amounts of water. His outer fur will get soaking wet, but his skin will still be dry. And when you do get him thoroughly soaked and he shakes out, it better be outdoors, because he's going to shake out about 10 gallons of water. He's starting to get the wild wolf look about his face. He needs a trim, a snip job around his face. Come on, Blitzy. No, he'll lay out there in the driving snow, smiling, waiting for his friends. We'll give him privacy. I think he's got to go make. Come on, Blitzy. Let's go in the house, man. Daddy's finally getting snow to plow. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Mother Nature. You hoary old hag. You ready, son? It's go time. Come on, Blitzy. You want to look outside? Let Daddy move his snow measuring stick. As who's out there, Blitzy? Who's out there? That was wrong of me. It's okay, Blitzy. Off to inspect the back 40. Might take a second to start. I rebuilt the OEM John Deere carburetor. Well, I cleaned it. The jets were all quite dirty. The holes in the jets looked fine until I cleaned them with a copper wire. And, oh boy, she runs a treat. But it needs a lot more choking to start, which is great, because it was running way too rich before. The spark plugs came out sooty and black. Oh, I hope my head gets cut off. One moment, I closed the door to the house. Oh boy, I hope my head gets cut off. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if it starts. It's beginning to feel like Christmas. Ah, boy. Finally, thank you, Jesus. Little throttle. Trump 2024. Just like when I first got him. As soon as he fires with the full choke on, off goes the choke. And it's ready to rock, doc. Slow down, boy. $25 by 10 by 12. $18 by 7 by 8. Out of here. Come on, Blitzy. Come on, Blitzy. Come on, Blitzy. Come on, boy. It's time to go.